ang pangalan niya. Si Mateo Carreño. Nabuhay siya sa Cordillera noong circa 1899. Ayon dito, the Ibaloy chieftain of Benguet who led a successful revolt against the Spanish garrison in La Trinidad in 1898. Aguinaldo made him captain of Baguio and head of the Igorot army.
You feel like summertime. You make me